Alright guys, we're ready to finish our problem from yesterday. We need to come up with a really good plan. We know we need to look for the total amount that she spent. Change my little color down here, back to blue. We need to know the total amount she spent. We do not know our total. So that means in our strip diagram, that's what we're looking for. I'm going to put S for spend. We need to add up everything she bought, and that will give us our total. She bought one shirt, only one, it tells us right here, which was $12.99. But then she bought two skirts, and each one was $10.75. It was kind of like our Monday problem about Riley, where she bought two bookmarks. You have to pay very close attention to that. So we're going to add them all up, and that will give us how much she spent. So our equation will look like this, where we just list out all those numbers, we're adding them up, and our variable is S for spend. Alright, so now we're ready to solve. So I've thrown these decimals in here just to practice lining up that decimal point. Remember, drawing that decimal point first on your page will help you line everything up. So I have $12.99 and then $10.75 twice. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 plus 1, there's a group of 10, and then 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 7, let's see, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm going to go ahead and put my decimal point. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 1, 2, and 3. So she spent $34.49. So over here, I'm going to have to say, why did I add? Because that was my only step. I added because we needed to find out how much she